this is what I reckon the best motorcycle brands are. So, starting with F tier would be Victory, Bull. I just really don't know these, and they're not really big and reliable. Okay, next, Indian, Indy, because I just really don't know these guys. I don't like their bikes personally, and yeah, they just look a bit ugly. Hey, for C tier, I'm gonna go Triumph, and I reckon Aprilia. Actually, it's hard. I'm gonna go Triumph and Aprilia and BMW. Oh, that's so hard. Okay, so I'm gonna just leave Triumph and Aprilia in C. I love Triumph, I love Aprilia, but they're not as good as these bottom ones in my opinion. So for B tier, Suzuki, Harley Davidson, and BMW. I love these. I love all. I love B and C tiers, and they're both great bikes. But I have to choose them, and I have to put them there. So for A tier, I'm gonna go Ducati, KTM. Then S tier is gonna be. You know what? Suzuki's goated. Let's put it up there. Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki. That's how I'm gonna rank them. These are the best bikes, best ones you can. And yeah, they're all pretty good. But I like the S tier most.